welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna make some authentic Jamaican style fricassee chicken with some authentic Jamaican rice and peas, and this is how we do it. First, we're gonna start off by washing our chicken with some lime juice and vinegar. Now it's time to season the chicken. I add some chicken wings to my chicken. First, I'm gonna go in with some all-purpose. I use quarter cup of all-purpose to 5 pound of chicken parts. Now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of pimento powder / allspice to the chicken. Black pepper. This is a tablespoon of black pepper. I'm gonna mix this in. Now I'm gonna add some green onions, some onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, and carrots, along with some thyme. I'm going to mix in everything, just like so. Quick and fast, guys. Quick and fast. For best results, I'm going to cover the chicken and let it marinate in the refrigerator overnight to get those herbs and seasoning soaked deep inside the chicken. In the meantime, I'm going to wash 2 cups of red peas, put them to soak in 4 cups of water. I'm going to let my peas soak overnight for best result. So here's my peas. Guys, I'm going to pressure my peas to let the process go faster. Okay? Also, I add 6 cloves of garlic to the peas. Now I'm going to pressure the peas for 5 minutes. And go. And there we are. Now it's time to start oxing out our coconut to get them washed, cut up, and blend. So here's my peas. Now I'm going to start seasoning up the pot. Stay tuned. Now I'm going to add coconut milk. Give it a stir. Then I'll add the rest of my seasoning in 5 minutes time. Now it has been 5 minutes. I'm going to add some green onions, thyme. I'm also going to add some onions, and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna let this cook down for 5 minutes, then I'll add some more seasoning. Now I'm gonna add half tablespoon of pimento powder, slash allspice, half tablespoon of black pepper. Just a stir. 1 stick of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of all-purpose. Oh yeah, all-purpose, guys. Give this a stir. Let this cook for 5 minutes, then I'll add my rice. Now I'm gonna wash the rice. And I'm doing 5 cups of rice. Have a nice wash. And guys, I wash my rice 3 times. I'll repeat the process. One more time. Now I'm gonna add the rice to the pot. Give this a stir. I'm gonna cover this with a piece of foil paper and let it simmer. Turn my stove down and medium low. Now I'm gonna check on the rice to see what it's doing. Oh yeah, the rice is coming on fine, guys. Look at that. Yeah, man. Just need a little more time. It's coming on good, guys. Coming on real good. And here it is, guys. Authentic Jamaican rice and peas. Look how shelly this rice is, guys. Look how shelly it is. And it's time to fry the chicken. First I'm gonna add a thigh. Now it's time to flip the chicken. Stay tuned, guys.
Oh yeah, our chicken is done. Now it's time to remove the chicken from the pot. Now I'm gonna fry some potato wedges to go with our fricassee chicken. I am frying these potato wedges in the same oil that I fry the chicken in. The potato wedges will absorb the flavor of the chicken from the oil. Now it's time to flip the potato wedges because they're getting brown. And now my potato wedges is done. I'm gonna start removing them from the pot. I'm gonna add to the pot the vegetables and herbs that I seasoned the chicken with. I'm gonna let these cook down for 5 minutes, then I'll add some ketchup, then the chicken to the pot, along with the potato wedges. is how you make authentic Jamaican fricassee chicken.
And here's the finished product, fricassee chicken. Oh yeah, check it out guys. Fricassee chicken.
And here's the finished product, fricassee chicken with sides of rice and peas, potato wedges, and salad. Look good, huh?
Now it's time for me to taste this lovely dinner. The rice full of flavor. And try the chicken. Oh my god. The chicken is packed with flavor. Try the potato. Guys, this is so damn delicious. No joke.
We will really appreciate your support in growing this channel, so please like, share, and subscribe. One love, bless. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.